Hey guys, so today in this video we're going to be deriving the power rule through the use of the binomial theorem. So to start off, let's write the limit definition of a derivative. So now that we have this, let's plug in f of x that we have written on the side, which is equal to x to the n. So now that we have this term written out, we can expand it with using the binomial theorem and write in the rest of the terms. So with the identities seen in the right box that can be seen in the Pascal's triangle, you can eliminate some of the variables and set them equal to 1 or n. So and then what you can do is you can cross out the first x to the n and the last x to the n since they have opposite signs. And what you're left with are these terms, and you can factor out the h from all of these terms. Now, since there's an h on both the top and the bottom, they can be canceled out. And now that there's nothing on the denominator, the h can approach 0 without any problems. And so every term with an h gets canceled out to 0. And what you're left with is n times x to the n minus 1, which is familiar because that's the power rule. So with this, you can conclude that the power rule can be derived from the binomial theorem. When f of x equals x to the n, f prime of x equals n times x to the n minus 1. Thanks for watching.